I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV, showing off a big truck at Wheaton Honda.
We're getting heavy duty with this one. It's a 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 LT that's been modified with a lift kit, fender flares, custom wheels, and mud flaps. HDs are made for hard work, and this Chevy has plenty of muscle thanks to a 6-liter engine good for 360 horsepower and 380 pound-feet of torque. That V8 is paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission that includes a tow-haul mode. The truck also has 4-wheel drive. Inside, the standard cloth interior has been swapped for an aftermarket leather, and it comes with heated front seats. Enjoy a ton of technology, like a backup camera, OnStar, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and satellite radio. You also get keyless remote entry and a factory-installed remote starter.
Now, if you have any questions, you can reach me with email, Facebook, or Twitter. Just head down to Wheaton Honda and check it out.